Welcome, dear friends. You're watching GreenCure, your natural guide to better health and well-being. Today, we're exploring one of nature's sweetest miracles, honey, a golden, healing substance that has been cherished for centuries in almost every culture. But before we begin this journey into the world of honey, if you're passionate about natural health, simple remedies, and the power of plants, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, so you can join us every week as we unlock the secrets of nature. Now, let's discover what makes honey so extraordinary. Honey is much more than just a natural sweetener. It contains over 200 active compounds, including natural sugars, antioxidants, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, and antibacterial agents. It's like a mini medicine cabinet in every spoonful. Let's start with the brain. Honey is an excellent fuel for your mind. Its natural glucose is absorbed slowly, providing a steady source of energy that keeps your brain alert and focused. It enhances memory, helps with concentration, and even reduces mental fatigue. Struggling to sleep at night? A simple spoonful of honey before bed can do wonders. It promotes the release of melatonin, the hormone responsible for deep, restful sleep. It calms the nerves, relaxes the body, and supports your natural sleep cycle. Honey also plays an important role in digestion. It soothes the stomach, supports good gut bacteria, and helps reduce bloating and acidity. Drinking warm water with honey, in the morning or after meals, can bring gentle relief from indigestion and constipation. And what about your mouth and gums? Despite its sweetness, honey is actually a natural antibacterial. It fights harmful microbes in the mouth and can help prevent gum infections, mouth ulcers, and even bad breath. Just remember to rinse your mouth after use to protect your teeth. Need an energy boost during the day? Forget energy drinks and sugary snacks. One spoon of honey can give you a quick and healthy boost, without the crash that comes from processed sugar or caffeine. It's a favorite among athletes for good reason. Honey also works wonders for the skin. Used as a natural face mask, it hydrates, brightens, and soothes inflammation. It helps with acne, dry skin, and even scars. Mix it with ingredients like turmeric, yogurt, or oatmeal to create powerful DIY skincare treatments at home. Of course, like any natural remedy, honey must be used wisely. Never give honey to children under 1 year old, and always make sure you're using raw, pure honey, not the processed or fake versions that often appear in stores. Only natural honey gives you the full benefits we've talked about. To sum it all up, honey is one of the most versatile, healing, and nourishing gifts of nature. It supports your brain, improves your sleep, heals your gut, protects your mouth, energizes your body, and enhances your beauty. A single ingredient with so many powerful effects.